Magic Spoon cereal. We are about to have a keto party. My wife and I have been looking for crunchiness. We've been looking for cereal. We got a couple boxes here. Now let me tell you something. The high protein, keto friendly, gluten free, grain free, soy free, wheat free, nothing artificial childlike cereal for grown-ups who are on keto. We tried a different brand. What was the brand we tried? What was it called?
It is called
Cereal School. Now let me tell you, Cereal School, if you love cereal, if you love crunchiness and you love good flavor, that one is not the cereal for you. Every single bite tastes like chemicals, and there's a chemical aftertaste that is probably from the sweetener, which is pretty yucky. All right, so my wife went ahead and splurged, and she got every single flavor they have. So let's go ahead and pop out the boxes and see what we got. So we have Magic Spoon. This is the fruity cereal, and we'll go ahead and go through all of the macros once we're done. We also have the cocoa cereal. I'm kind of excited about this one. We also have cinnamon cereal, and we also have frosted. Yes. So I'm really excited about these. Let's go ahead and look and see what the macros look like on here. It says it's got 8 carbs and it's got 2 fiber. So basically every serving has 6 net carbs. It's running 12 protein and 6 grams of fat. So you're definitely gonna have to incorporate some fat while eating this, whether it's... All right, so me and my wife investigated the package and we found something wonderful. So if you look here, it says that it has 8 carbs, 2 fiber, 3 allulose, which I've never even heard of that, but it's a rare sugar that actually counts as negative carbs. So you have 3 grams of net carbs. So first we're gonna go ahead and dive into the frosted cereal. Looks like Cheerios, but white. Now I'll tell you what, the frosted cereal actually smells kind of fruity, like a fruity vanilla, almost like a vanilla candle.
Wow.
I'll give you the scissors.
It tastes like sugar, right?
So let me tell you a secret. This stuff also has a little bit of the alcohol sweetener aftertaste. But you know what this actually tastes like? This tastes like vanilla protein powder. So if you're used to having vanilla shakes, that's what this tastes like. So we're gonna go ahead and throw a little bit into a cup, and we're gonna go ahead and have some of our milk substitute. So what I did with the milk substitute, I took some heavy whipping cream, and I took some coconut milk. So it looks like milk. It's got lots of fat in it. And so let's go ahead and taste it and see how it is with the milk substitute. All right, so we're gonna take a big bite here. Super crunchy. And I gotta say, with the milk substitute, it actually tastes a little bit better. It's got an amazing crunch. So if you're missing the taste of those chips, but the sweetness is there, but it definitely does taste like protein powder. All right, let's dive into the next one. This is the one that I was really hoping that tastes good. So let's open it up. And I'm going to gently cut it across the top to make sure it looks nice and pretty. All right. Wow, that smells kind of strange, Mama. You definitely smell the chocolate in there, but it has a strange flavor of something else. Let's see how it tastes without the milk. Definitely tastes like dark chocolate, so it's not a sweet version. Let's get a couple in there and see how it tastes with the milk substitute. It's also super crunchy. If you are a fan of dark chocolate, you will probably really enjoy this. It tastes like you're eating dark chocolate, cocoa, and nibs. So not really super sweet, but it has a hint of sweetness to it. The flavor is okay. I would say that I enjoy the cocoa one a little bit better because the aftertaste is not as overwhelming. Okay, so now we're gonna try the fruity. Hopefully the fruity ones are good. Maybe we can have some Fruit Loops in our life, right, Mama? Yes, ma'am. I made it nice and pretty. All right. So we got the fruity ones. Looks like they're pink. Would you say that's pink, sweetie?
Yes.
All right, they're pink. Okay, so let's cut the top and make them look nice and pretty. Wow, this one also has a strange smell.
Let me smell. No, it tastes like Fruit Loops.
It smells like Fruit Loops, my wife says.
Here, smell it.
This actually smells, no joke, it smells like one of those fruity air fresheners that you have in the bathroom at a convenience store. That's what it smells like, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into it. Let's see how it tastes. This one definitely has a chemical aftertaste. Wow. So you can taste the fruity smell that's in there. But this one actually reminds me of the cereal school one where it has the massive chemical aftertaste in there. I'm probably going to say that this one is definitely not my favorite. But let's look and see how it tastes with the milk substitute. Okay, so let's take a bite. You know, it's really strange that when you're eating it with the milk substitute, it actually makes it taste better. So, it actually almost a little bit tastes like Fruity Pebbles or Fruit Loops when you're eating it with the milk substitute. And a lot of the chemical aftertaste actually goes away. That's kind of strange. All right, so last but not least, let's get into cinnamon. Hopefully this cinnamon is overpowering so we get rid of those tastes. But I got to tell you, so far with these, even though they have a chemical aftertaste, 150 times better than the cereal school, that's for sure. And the cereal school's like 2 to 3 times more expensive.
75.
Yeah, cereal school's $75. This one runs
40.
$40. So huge difference. Okay, so we're going to cut the top here. Let's give it a big smell. Wow, so this one here actually has the most real smell of cereal out of all of them. It smells like, what is that one you like, baby?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
It smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's actually quite refreshing. All right, so let's jump on those. Wow, so just the taste of them when you put them in your mouth, that's definitely some cinnamon. Like, it actually bites a little bit. Okay, so let's put a couple in here. Let's see how it tastes with the sugar, with the milk substitute. Actually, baby, with the milk substitute, this one tastes the closest to real cereal. The cinnamon and the slight sweetness actually is quite satisfying. I could definitely eat a whole bowl of that. The cinnamon one, out of all four, is my favorite for sure. So I'd have to say, out of the magic spoon, the cinnamon tastes the best when you're eating your milk substitute. And I would say that even though this does have a slight chemical aftertaste to it, whether it's the sugar alcohols or what. It's 110 times better. What's it called, baby? The other one.
You done?
School bus. Magic school. Cereal school. 110 times better than the cereal school. Hopefully this review was helpful. If it was, please smack that thumbs up. We'll have a link below if you want to go ahead and pick. My wife and son love it.